हे गाइस वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ PSCB ਕਲਾਸ 12 ਫਿਜ਼ਿਕਸ ਦਾ 3rd ਯੂਨਿਟ ਮੈਗਨੈਟਿਕ ਇਫੈਕਟਸ ਆਫ ਕਰੰਟ ਐਂਡ ਮੈਗਨੇਟਿਜ਼ਮ। ਇਹਦੇ ਤੇ MCQs ਤੇ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਈ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਐਕਿਊਰੇਟ ਤੋਂ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾਜ਼ ਵੀ ਦੱਸੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ। ਮਲਟੀਪਲ ਚੋਇਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ। ਫਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈਗਾ ਆ ਅ ਬਾਰ ਮੈਗਨੇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਕੈਪਟ ਇਨ ਯੂਨੀਫਾਰਮ magnetic field it experiences ਕੀ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਆ ਇੱਥੇ ਐਡਿਟ ਕਰ ਲਵਾਂਗੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ। A bar magnet is kept in a uniform magnetic field. It experiences a torque but not a net force. ਇੱਥੇ ਮੈਂ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟਲੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆਨਸਰ ਜੀ ਦੱਸ ਦੂੰਗੀ, ਅਦਰਵਾਈਜ਼ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੀ ਲੈਂਥ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਧ ਜਾਣੀ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। What is the expected what is the expected value of dip at the magnetic poles of earth? ਇਹਦਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਹੈਗਾ C 90 degree. Next question ਹੈਗਾ angle of dip at 90 degree at dip of 90 degree at answer is A poles. 90 degree ਤੇ dip ਦਾ angle of dip of 90 at poles ਤੇ ਹੁੰਦਾ 90 degree dip ਦਾ angle. Next question ਹੈ to convert a galvanometer into a voltmeter answer ਹੈਗਾ ਇਹਦਾ D. A high resistance is connected in series. To convert a galvanometer into an ammeter, we connect A. Load resistance in parallel. Next question है Tesla is a unit of Tesla कादा unit है? Tesla is a unit of D magnetic field. What is the resistance of an idle voltmeter and an idle ammeter? Answer is A infinity comma 0. A charge Q moves in a region where electric field E and magnetic field B vector both exit, then force on it is 8th ਦਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਹੈਗਾ B. QE vector plus Q into V vector cross B vector. Next question हैगा in SI system magnetic permeability has units. Answer is A Weber meter inverse into ampere inverse. Next question हैगा the resistance of an idle voltmeter is answer is B infinite. Next question the area of BH curve is an indication of answer is C energy dissipated per cycle. Next question is two parallel wires carry current in same direction, they will C attract each other. ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਨਾ 2 ਯੂਨਿਟਸ ਦੀ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਬਣਾ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਹਾਂ ਕਰੰਟ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਸਿਟੀ ਤੇ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਸਟੈਟਿਕਸ ਉੱਤੇ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਵੀ ਦੇਖ ਲੈਣੀਆਂ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਤੇ ਜੇਕਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਦੀ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਦੀ ਯੂਨਿਟ ਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਸੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਸੁਜੈਸ਼ਨ ਦਿਆ ਕਰੋ। The direction of the maximum force experienced by a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field is given by 13 ਦਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਹੈਗਾ A Fleming left hand rule. Next question is 1 Tesla is equal to answer is C 10 raised to 4 Gauss. Next question time period of a charged particle undergoing a circular motion in an uniform magnetic field is independent of answer ਹੈਗਾ ਆ 15th ਦਾ A speed. Next question is if an electron and a proton having same momentum enter normally to a magnetic field then answer हैगा 16th ਦਾ A curved path of electron and proton will be same. Next question SI unit for magnetic dipole is C A m square. Next is write a dimensional formula of magnetic flux. 18 ਦਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਹੈਗਾ ਆ C. M L square T minus 2 A minus 1. 19th question हैगा या why the oscillation of copper disc in a magnetic field are highly damped? Answer is A. Due to eddy current. Next question. What is Curie point? Answer is Curie point is the temperature above which a ferromagnetic substance behaves as. Answer is paramagnetic. Next question. What is the resistance of ideal ammeter and voltmeter? Answer is C. 0, infinite. Next question. Under what condition an electron moving through a magnetic field experience maximum force then charge enters the region of magnetic field at? Answer is B. At 90 degree. Next question is the angle of dip at two places are respectively 0 degree and 90 degree. Where are these values on Earth? Answer is A. Equator and poles. Next question. Name the SI unit of magnetic flux and magnetic induction. Write the dimensional formula of magnetic flux. C है आंसर है Weber, Tesla, M L square T minus 2 A minus 1. Next question. The Earth's core is known to contain iron, but geologists do not regard this as a source of magnetic field. Why? 25th का आंसर हैगा थाडा B. Temperature of core is very high. Next question है magnitude of the magnetic intensity of a point due to a current in a conductor is given by. Answer is A. Biot-Savart's law. Next question. When an electron is placed in a magnetic field, the velocity of electron. D. Independent of the field strength. Next question. Magnetic dipole moment is a B. Vector. 29th question हैगा if two parallel conducting wires carry current in the same direction they C. attract one another. ठीक है. Next question हैगा which of the following is diamagnetic? केड़ा इन्हां चो diamagnetic है? Answer is D. bismuth. Next question. The ultimate individual unit of magnetism in any magnet is called. Answer is C. Dipole. The resultant magnetic moment of neon atom will be C. 0. For permanent magnets, the materials should have. Answer is D. Both A and C. मतलब high coercivity भी ते high retentivity भी. Magnitude of permeability of free space is C. 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. 35. A ferromagnetic substance is C. Only solid. Next. An example of paramagnetic substance is 36th A. Aluminium. Next is susceptibility is positive and large for a B. Ferromagnetic. Next is Weber ampere per meter is equal to 38th Newton. Next, magnetic effect of current was discovered by 39th का आंसर हैगा या B. Oersted. Next, a magnetic field 40th का आंसर हैगा C. Exerts a force if the charged particle is moving across the magnetic lines. Next question is the dimensions of magnetic field induction is. Answer is B. M T minus 2 A minus 1. Gauss is a unit of which quantity? B. B ਤੇ B मतलब magnetic flux ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਇੱਥੇ. Next question. A charge Q is moving in a magnetic field, then the magnetic force does not depend upon B. Mass. Next question. A strong magnetic field is applied on a stationary electron, then the electrons B. remain stationary. Next. A positively charged particle is released from rest in a region of uniform electric field, then the particle will move C. with constant acceleration. Next. A charged particle moving in a magnetic field experiences a resultant force C. in the direction perpendicular to both the field and its velocity. Next question, if cathode rays are projected at right angles to a magnetic field, their trajectory is? Answer is B, circle. Next question, an electron moving in a uniform magnetic field of induction of intensity B vector has its radius directly proportional to? 48 the answer है C, speed. Next, Lorentz force can be calculated by using the formula. 49 the answer है A, F vector is equal to Q into E vector plus V vector क्रॉस B vector होल ब्रैकेट बन गई, ठीक है, ए द आंसर. नेक्स्ट है 50th, अ पॉजिटिव चार्ज इज मूविंग टूवर्ड्स एन ऑब्जर्वर, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंडक्शन लाइन्स इज? 50th आंसर है बी, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. नेक्स्ट 51st क्वेश्चन है या मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मूवमेंट. नेक्स्ट 51st क्वेश्चन है मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मूवमेंट इज अ बी, वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. Next question, isolated magnetic poles called magnetic monopoles are not known to exist. This is the conclusion of A, Gauss theorem in magnetism. Next question, SI unit of magnetic flux is? Answer is C, Weber. The magnetic equation for magnetic field lines of force is? 54th answer is A, V vector dot B vector equal to 0. Next question, the lines of force due to Earth's horizontal component of magnetic fields are? Answer is D, curved lines. Next, at magnetic poles of Earth, angle of dip is? 56th answer is C. Next question, isogonic lines on magnetic maps will have? 57th C, same angle of declination. Next, at which place Earth's magnetism become horizontal? B, geographical pole. Sorry. Next है if magnetic lines of force are drawn by keeping magnet vertical, then number of neutral points will be? 59 the answer है A, 1. Next question is, a magnetic material in a magnetic field moves. A magnetic material in a magnetic field moves A, from stronger to weaker parts of the field. Next question, a diamagnetic substance is? C, repelled by both the poles of magnet. Next question, nickel shows ferromagnetic property at room temperature. If the temperature is increased beyond Curie temperature, then it will show? D, paramagnetism. Next question, unit of magnetic flux density or magnetic induction is? 63 answer is C, answer is D, all of these. Unit of magnetic flux density or magnetic induction is? Tesla भी है, Weber per meter square भी है, Newton per ampere meter भी है, all of the above भी है, ठीक है. The universal property of all substances is? 64th answer है B, diamagnetism. Next, Curie's law can be written as? C, chi is inversely proportional to chi is directly proportional to 1 by t, or chi is inversely proportional to t. Next, 66th question है, why is diamagnetism independent of temperature? Answer is A, net dipole moment is 0. Next, 67th question, what is the magnitude of a force experienced by a stationary charge exposed to a uniform magnetic field? 0. Next question, a charged particle enters a magnetic field at an angle of 90 degrees with the magnetic field. The path of particle will be? Answer is C, a circle. Next question, Curie temperature is the temperature above which a ferromagnetic material becomes paramagnetic. Next question, if a current is passed through a spring, then the spring will? 70th answer है B, compress. Next question, what is the angle of dip at a place where the horizontal and vertical components of Earth's magnetic field are equal? Answer is D, 45 degree. An iron bar magnet is heated to 2000 degrees Celsius and then cooled. Will it retain its magnetism? Answer हैगा ਇਹਦਾ B, no, it will not. Next question, why two magnetic lines do not cross each other? Because there will be two directions of field. Next question, what is the work done by magnetic field on moving charge in the direction of magnetic field? B, 0. Next question, an alpha particle is moving with a velocity in the direction of magnetic field B vector. Find force acting on it. 75th the answer हैगा A. Next question, does an electric charge moving in the direction of magnetic field experiences a force? Answer is no, B. Then next question, an electric charge is stationary in uniform magnetic field. Calculate the magnetic force. B, 0. Next question, an electron is not deflected in passing through a certain region of space. Can we be sure there is no magnetic field in the region? Answer is B, no. Next, why permanent magnets are made of steel? ये क्वेश्चन नंबर हैगा ਤੁਹਾਡਾ 79. Why permanent magnets are made of steel? Answer is C, both A and C, because they have high retentivity and high coercivity. Next question, 80th हैगा, what happens if a bar magnet is cut into two equal pieces, transfers to its length? हैगा D, both A and B. A मतलब pole strength भी same रहती है, तो B magnetic moment half हो जाता है, ठीक है. Next question, what happens to dipole moment if a bar magnet is cut into two equal pieces parallel to its length? जे parallel cut करिए ਤਾਂ C, both and B, pole strength half हो जाती, dipole moment भी half हो जाता. Next, magnetic field due to a current carrying conductor is 0. Answer is C, along the axial line of the wire. Next question, a charged particle enters at 30 degree to the magnetic field. Its path become B, helical. Next, which of the following in motion cannot be deflected by magnetic field? D, neutron. ठीक है. Next question, in a moving coil galvanometer, we use radial magnetic field so that scale is C, linear. Next question, two free parallel wires carrying current in the opposite direction. 86th B, repel each other. Next, a frog can jump higher than normal in magnetic field because the tissues of a frog are 87th हैगा या B, diamagnetic. Next, a magnetic field C exerts a force if the charged particle is moving across the magnetic lines. Next, a current carrying wire in the neighborhood produces C, magnetic field only. Next, the path executed by a charged particle whose motion is perpendicular to a uniform magnetic field is C, a circle. Next, a proton and an electron with equal momentum are entered in magnetic field, then D, path of both the particles will be equally curved. Next, a charge moves in a circle perpendicular to a magnetic field. The time period of revolution is independent of D, velocity of the particle. Next, a particle moving in a magnetic field increases its velocity, then its radius of the circle will B, increases. Next, when a charged particle enters a perpendicular uniform magnetic field, its kinetic energy A remains constant. Next, an electron moving in an uniform magnetic field of induction of intensity B vector has its radius directly proportional to C, speed. Next, the field due to a long straight wire carrying a current I is proportional to 96th A, I. Next, a positive charge is moving upward in a magnetic field directed towards north. the particle will be deflected towards D. West. Next, according to Biote's magnetic field at a point due to current carrying element depends on distance of a point from current element as C. B is directly proportional to 1 by r square. Next, the magnetic field due to infinitely long current carrying conductor at a distance r from conductor depends upon r as B. B is directly proportional to 1 by r. In SI, the absolute permeability of free space is A. 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Tesla ampere inverse meter. Next question. A charge moving inside a magnetic field in transverse direction follows which path? A. Circular. Next question. If a current is passed through a spring, the spring will B. Compress. Next, to increase the range of an ammeter, answer is B. A small resistance is connected as shunt. Next, what happens if a bar magnet is cut into two pieces transverse to its length? Answer is D. Both A and B. Pole strength remains same, magnetic moment is reduced to half. Next, basic source of magnetism is A. Charged particles alone. Next, if magnetic moment of a substance is zero, then substance is A. Diamagnetic. Next, magnetic susceptibility for diamagnetic material is A. Small and positive. Next, a small piece of unmagnetized substance gets repelled when it is brought near a powerful magnet, then the substance can be. Answer is D. Diamagnetic. Next, electromagnets are made of soft iron because it has D. High retentivity and low coercivity. कई बार ये वाला क्वेश्चन आ जाता सॉफ्ट आयरन ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ क्वेश्चन 2 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਇਹਦਾ Next, for protecting a sensitive equipment from external magnetic field, it should be A. Placed inside an iron can. Next, electric current through the straight horizontal part of a wire is flowing from east to west. The force experienced by this part of the wire due to Earth's magnetic field will be such as to pull it C. Vertically downward. Next question. The magnetic lines of force around an infinitely long conductor carrying current are A. Concentric circle around the conductor. Next question. Two parallel wires carrying currents in the same direction attack each other because of D. Magnetic forces between them. Next question. An electric charge E moves with a constant velocity v parallel to the lines of force of a uniform magnetic field B. The force experienced by the charge is C0. Next question. Last question है a deuterium nucleus consists of one proton and one neutron. If a deuterium nucleus and a helium nucleus are both placed in the same electric field, the acceleration of deuterium is A. Equal to that of helium. ठीक है सो ਇਹ ਸੀਗੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ MCQs ਆ ਦੇਖੋ ਇਕੱਠੇ MCQs ਦੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਆਨਸਰ ਵੀ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਦਾ ਸਕਰੀਨਸ਼ਾਟ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਆ ਲਓ ठीक है स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो ਇਹਦਾ ठीक है ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਟਰੂ ਫਾਲਸ ਦੀ ठीक है फर्स्ट हैगा इन SI द यूनिट ऑफ मैग्नेटिक डायपोल मोमेंट इज एम्पीयर मीटर आंसर इज फॉल्स Second है static charge is a source of electric field but not for magnetic field. True. Next question. An atom or molecule of substance cannot behave as magnetic dipole. False. Next question. Magnetic field lines always form closed loop. True. Next question. A diamagnetic substance are feebly attracted by magnet. True. Next question. A charge moves in a circle inside magnetic field. The time period of revolution is independent of mass of particle. False. Next question. In a bar magnet, lines of magnetic induction run continuously through the bar magnet and outside. True. Next question. Electric Electron enters in a magnetic field at an angle of 60 degree. Its path will be parabola. False. Next, the angle of dip varies between 0 degree to 90 degree. True. Next, the magnetic field due to a very long wire carrying a current decreases as the square of distance from the wire. False. Next, the magnetic susceptibility of paramagnetic substance has negative value. True. Next, the net charge in a current carrying conductor is zero, even then it experiences magnetic force when placed inside the magnetic field. 12th हैगा या True. Next, the maximum value of angle of dip is at equator. False. Two parallel wires carrying current in the opposite direction attract each other. False. Next, magnetic lines of force do not cross each other. True. Next, when a current carrying rectangular loop is placed inside magnetic field, net force on it is always zero. True. 1 Gauss is equal to 10 raised to minus 4 Tesla. True. Next question, when a current carrying rectangular loop is placed inside magnetic field, net torque on it is always zero. False. Next question, the strength of a bar magnet is maximum as its center. False. Next, a solenoid tends to shrink when a current passes through it. True. Next, to current a moving coil galvanometer into an ammeter of a given range, we must connect a suitable low resistance in parallel. True. Next is, the resistance of milliammeter is greater than that of ammeter. True. Next question is, magnetic field lines can be entirely confined within the core of a toroid but not within a straight solenoid. Answer is true. Next, we can increase or decrease the range of a given ammeter. False. Next, a solenoid acts like a bar magnet. True. Next question, SI unit of magnetic field intensity at a place is Weber upon meter square. Answer is true. Next question, the magnetic field at the center of a circular current carrying loop is zero. Answer is false. Next, the magnetic needle kept in a uniform magnetic fields kept in a uniform magnetic field experiences only torque. False. Next, a non-zero work has to be done to rotate a unit north pole around a current carrying wire. True. Next is, magnetic susceptibility of diamagnetic is always negative. True. Next, a superconductor exhibits perfect diamagnetism. True. Next is, soft iron is used in transformer cores. True. Next is, soft iron is used in making permanent magnets. False. Next is, steel is used in electromagnetic cranes. False. Next, for a diamagnetic substance, the magnetic dipole moment each of the constituent atom is zero. True. Non-magnetic materials can acquire magnetism when placed into magnetic field. True. Next, so the susceptibility of magnetic material does not depend on temperature. True. Next, the susceptibility of a paramagnetic material is inversely proportional to absolute temperature. True. Next, magnetic poles are always found in pairs. True. Next, the nature of magnetic field inside a moving coil galvanometer is radial. True. Next, the magnetic field lines form closed loop. True. Next, The diamagnetic substance tends to move from weaker to stronger parts of varying magnetic field. False. False. Next हैगा a material steel has high coercivity than soft iron and hence it is used in making permanent magnet. 43. True. Electron enters into a magnetic field at an angle of 45 degree. Its path will be false. Will be parabolic. False. Next question is the strength of bar magnet is maximum at its center. 55th ਦਾ answer ਹੈਗਾ ਜੀ false. Next question is all substances are diamagnetic in nature. True. Next, hysteresis is shown by paramagnetic and ferromagnetic substances. 47th ਦਾ answer ਹੈਗਾ false. When two parallel conductors carry current in opposite direction, they attract each other. False. Next, inside a toroidal solenoid, magnetic field is non-zero, but its magnetic dipole moment is 0. True. ठीक है ਸੋ ਇਹ ਸੀਗੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਆਨਸਰ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਟਰੂ ਫਾਲਸ ਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਕਰੀਨਸ਼ਾਟ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਆਪਣਾ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਸੀਗਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਵਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਯੂਨਿਟ 3 ਮੈਗਨੈਟਿਕ ਇਫੈਕਟਸ ਆਫ ਕਰੰਟ ਐਂਡ ਮੈਗਨੇਟਿਜ਼ਮ ਦੇ MCQ ਟਾਈਪ 115 ਕੁਐਸਚਨ MCQ ਕੀਤੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਟਰੂ ਫਾਲਸ ਕੀਤੇ ਨੇ 49 ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹੀ ਗੁਜ਼ਾਰਿਸ਼ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ ਜੇਕਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸੁਜੈਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਹੋਰ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਯੂਨਿਟ 'ਤੇ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਸੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਵੇਂ ਹੀ ਬਣੇ ਰਹੋ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰਿਆ ਕਰੋ ਅਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਸੁਜੈਸ਼ਨ ਵੀ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰਿਆ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰਨਾ ਨਾ ਭੁੱਲਿਓ ਸਾਡੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਥੈਂਕਸ ਫॉर ਵਾਚਿੰਗ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਆਊਗੀ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਅਗਲੇ ਯੂਨਿਟ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ So take care. Bye bye.